Good morning guys. So let us do UK Fortnines. Today we've got Mega Million, so you guys, you must get ready as well. We can't just be doing UK only, we also have to play other draws like Mega Million. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do here is I'm starting with this code 230. This is the first code that I'm gonna give you guys. Is 230. Code 230, it means there is 23, there is 30, there is 20, there is 5 from that code. 230, 20, 230, 20, and 5. So if I say 2 minus 30, that's 28. Sorry, I have to show you this way. 230, that's 23, that's 32, that's 20. Then 2 minus 30, that's 28. 30 plus 2, that's 32. So the other number that is here is 5. So these are even numbers. 20, 30 is an even. Is it an even or odd? It's an odd. It's an even, yes. Perfect. So put these numbers down. After putting these numbers down, then we can as well start doing our pairing. Let's do the second chord. The second chord is 140, which is 1444. When you see this chord, you must know that it's 1444 or it's 4114. 4114, this chord, I love it so much. Then if you say 1 minus 4, it gives you a 3. You carry that, it gives you a 30. Do you see that? Today we don't have to pay a lot of numbers because our numbers are actually accurate. We know what we are doing on these chords. So if we subtract, we get a 39. So second chord gave us 1441, 1444, 440 as well, or 441, somewhere around that figure. Then the last chord, this video is gonna be very short, 125. The last chord is got 1225. 25. This is the first pair. Then 12 plus 5, that's a 17. 12 minus 5, that should be 7. This is the number. Is it 7? Yes, it's 7. This is my bonus ball. And here 21 also can be the bonus ball. I just want to give you a quick video that won't confuse you guys. So I think I have to put down the singles. Okay, so if I have to put down the singles, I'm going to say 23. I'm going to spin 23, 32, 21, 12, 16. Don't ask me where I got the other numbers. 14, 41, 4. And then what else do I have there? I have 17. I have 17 must come. Actually, I've got a 7 there. I skipped the 17. I give it 34 instead. Bonuses. Let me put the bonuses. Bonuses. It's 7. It's 16. It's 21. These are the bonuses that I think are going to drop today. And what else do I have to give you guys? I think this is what it is for now. It's just UK Fortnine lunchtime and brunch time. So let's specify UK Fortnine and brunch time. Some of you call it Betway. Yeah, then guys, you can just join the WhatsApp group if you're interested. We'll see how the details go. Is there in the WhatsApp? You'll just follow the link. If you want to join, not crazy people in the heads who just inbox. Some of these guys, actually someone here, I think his head maybe, or is smoking something. I don't know what she's just a crazy person who keeps on requesting. Yeah, truly, I now believe that there are people who are insane in their heads. I'm not swearing at anyone, but I'm just saying something. All groups. I don't even know this person. I think she's got 1,000 groups in her WhatsApp. That's being crazy. Every time I put a link, she's the first to inbox. Yeah, you see, then you will see that this person is not normal. You just have to avoid, let it go. Okay, anyway, guys, keep on doing well. Those who want to make money, we are not playing here. We are here to make money. So this is what it is. Thank you very much.